One moment. This new part. Let's see. No. 1 minute. I know. Why is that? I know. 1 moment. You needed lower triple tree for lower for color. Your fork. And now, yes. Look. 1 moment. Yes. And now. Yes. Good. And now you take your upper, lower cover, lower triple tree. Like this. Lower triple tree, 2 bolted. For this, for lower triple tree, 1 or 2. One or two. Now you take upper cover, and you take upper triple tree. Yes, perfect. For this part, later you see later. 1 moment. For this Rake kit, block for this steam, and for these parts, one, this 2, and upper parts. Maybe I can do it this. Yes. And here your steel column, for your motorcycle. It's working. Later I do it new video, and my first Rake kit, I do it for my client, black power quad, black mate color. If you're interested, write me. Little by little I working for these parts. She's beautiful, she's looking very nice. And upper cover, and this lower triple tree and upper triple tree, and these parts new. This 1, 2 for triple tree 7 degree for Victory Kingpin, and these 3 parts for my client for mm, the same Rake kit for him motorcycle.